Ever wanted to clear out some old Minecraft worlds and reclaim that precious storage space? Let's dive into how to delete a world in Minecraft Bedrock Edition first. You'll need to launch Minecraft, open the game, and from the main menu, select Play. Next, navigate to your list of saved worlds. You'll see a library of all the worlds you've created or joined to begin deletion. Find the world you want to get rid of, then click on it. Locate the world you wish to get rid of. Most systems will have a gear icon or similar edit option next to each world. Click the icon next to the world you want to delete. This will open the world settings menu. Scroll through, searching for the option that gives the ability to delete the world. You should be able to see clear options such as delete world. Before you begin the deletion process, there will be a confirmation message. Be exceptionally careful at this stage, because once you delete the world, it's gone. Double check that you're deleting the correct world. Upon confirming the deletion, your world will be permanently removed, freeing up storage space on your device. Go back to the main menu, and you can now notice the world in question is no longer in your list, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a Minecraft world.